Hi, this video is here to help you use ratio language. Ratio is a way of describing the relationship between two or more objects or parts. Let's begin by looking at these counters and using stem sentences to describe the relationship. How many yellow counters are there? There are 3 yellow counters. How many blue counters are there? There are 5 blue counters. What is the relationship between the yellow and the blue counters? We use the language for every when we are describing ratio. For every 3 yellow counters, there are 5 blue counters. Sometimes we can express a relationship between objects in different ways. Here we have 4 yellow counters and 8 blue counters. We could say, for every 4 yellow counters, there are 8 blue counters. We could also group the counters like this. Now we can see that for every 2 yellow counters, there are 4 blue counters. Or we could group the counters like this. For every 1 yellow counter, there are 2 blue counters. If we look at the numbers in our ratio sentences, we can look for patterns. When we double the number of yellow counters, we also double the number of blue counters. If we multiply the number of yellow counters by 4, we also multiply the number of blue counters by 4. If we had 3 yellow counters, how many blue counters would there be? We have multiplied the number of yellow counters by 3, so we need to do the same to the number of blue counters. If we had 3 yellow counters, we would have 6 blue counters. For every 3 yellow counters, there are 6 blue counters. Now it's your turn. Here we have some apples and bananas. Can you fill in the stem sentences and describe the ratio of apples to bananas in 2 different ways? If you've got counters, you could use these to help you as well. Let's check your answers. There are 2 apples, there are 6 bananas. For every 2 apples, there are 6 bananas. You could also say for every 1 apple, there are 3 bananas. For the final challenge, can you fill in the missing boxes in these stem sentences? Pause here and have a go. Remember, if you multiply or divide one of the parts, you also have to multiply or divide the other part by the same number. Here are the answers. How did you get on? You can see the calculations you should have done to help you get the answers. I hope this video helped you understand how to use ratio language. If you're looking for more maths help, then we've got lots more of these videos on the Twinkl website, so why not go and check them out?